Hey guys, so today I'm working on my Suzuki Bandit Bobby. Today we'll be looking at the forks. They are slightly pitted, which I'll show you in a moment. I can't quite afford to replace the forks just yet, so I'm just going to show you a little temporary solution that I'm gonna use, which will hopefully make them last just for a couple more months. So here, as you can see, there's quite a fair bit of pitting on this one. So worse than the other one, and there is actually fork oil currently leaking out. So we're going to try and give these a little bit of a polish up today and just see if we can make a little temporary fix. So first thing I'm going to do with the forks here is just wipe off all the excess oil. There's a little fair bit on there. And we'll do the same there with the other one. So to help try and get rid of some of those little rust spots, I've got some AutoSol here, metal polish. Also you can use those for your downpipes, maybe any other little metal bits that you want to polish up. And I've just got one in the green scour. So yeah, just cut that in a little quarter so it just makes it a little bit smaller and easier to get in there, and just very, very gently. It's not necessarily going to get rid of all those little rust spots, but if we can at least help just smooth them down ever so slightly, it would just help with those seals leaking. You can feel if you put your finger over it, so yes, that's been a little bit smoother than it was before. So this one is slightly worse than the previous. Now I didn't manage to get all the rust spots on the other one, but I think they've managed to smooth down a little bit. Obviously once it's all done, at some point I will go for a little test run and just see if it's still leaking out much oil. Fork seals need replacing anyway, which I hope to get done soon, but again it's all a bit of money that I can't quite pay out so much at the moment. But if we can at least get this done, replace the fork seals, then fingers crossed that should just help it out just for a little bit. So yeah, I haven't managed to get all the rust spots off on those, but I've managed to do them the best I can. It should have helped just smooth them very slightly, and like I said, it's only a temporary fix. So just going to wipe off any excess now, and then we will give it a spin at some point and just make sure, just check it out, make sure there's not too much oil leaking off those. Like I said, only a temporary solution. They will need to get sorted quite soon. So yeah, just going to test now just to see if much oil comes out. But the hubby's sitting on the bike here and he's just going to just bounce up and down a little bit. We're going to give that a little bit of a pump and just have a little look. This is my hubby, just giving it a little test run. So yeah, as you can see, it's got quite a bit of oil coming out on those. Yeah, so definitely need the old fork seals replacing. So all in all, managed to clean the forks up as best I can. Obviously I wanted to get the fork seals replaced ASAP, and then fingers crossed the replacement of fork seals, it should hopefully last for a couple of months and just be a bit of a temporary fix before I actually get the forks themselves replaced. But yeah, just done what I could just for the moment, and we'll get it booked in soon and get all the fork seals. That's definitely out of my technical abilities.